Hello mga Pepzhug&Kiss. Nag-order yung mister ko ng food ko kasi nag-work siya. So, ito yung food ko ngayon. So, mamaya ko nagtingnan na ba ito sa ano ba to? Ang hirap. One moment. So, ito yung in-order niya. Sabi niya spaghetti to. Bakit may black yung ano? So, yung nila, yung pangalan ng restaurant nila. Sino. Did you read this? Don't kill the spaghetti. You should not kill the spaghetti. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna look it again. Hello guys! Andito na naman si Pinay, BISAYA, Belgium. Kakain na naman. Nandun kasi yung hubby ko sa work. Tapos, walang magluto. Hindi siyang tig dito. So, ayaw niya akong palutuin ngayon. So, nag-order siya. So, pasensya na guys ha. Guys, sorry. Pasensya na guys kasi mahilig talaga akong kumain. Tingnan mo naman yung mukha ko. Parang siopaw. So, ito yung garlic bread. Sa akin lang daw ko sa mga. So, i-open ko na siya kasi para siyang yung tubig ko. Yung parang yung nag-watery siya. And then this is my spaghetti. So ayan na. And this is tingnan mo yung mabasa nyo guys. Hindi ko mabasa. Don't kill the spaghetti. Yan yung yan yung pangalan ng restaurant nila. So, I think this is a new one. It's the first time that we order by them. This is the, how you call this, the cheese that I like it. Why? But if you will put that cheese to my salad, then I will really like it. But this is the one I like it. So this cheese I like it. So I'm gonna put it. I will put it them all. So then I will mix it. Parang medyo ano na yata to. Meron siyang may bacon siya. So there is a garlic. Actually, I don't eat garlic like a big one like this with pieces. But anyway, it's okay. wanna say thank you to all the groups that was playing me, especially to Marjoline Moldovan. She's the one who bring me through the group. It's not only one group, I think it's two groups, but I cannot play them, you know, but they are very, very honest. They are helping me very well, so that's why I came to this monetization. So yay! I received the message from the monetization section there, where is the sign of the dollar. That was on December 29. But the time I was working, so it's very hectic my schedule that time because I'm working, you know, I'm a kudera, you know, good. My work is good, so cleanly, you know. Most of the women here in Belgium, even you are graduated in college, even you have a whatever, you have a nice job in the Philippines, if you don't finish your schooling here, because you have to follow the rules, sir. You have to finish first 4 years schooling in Netherlands very fluently, then you can take a course. So your course you cannot use it here, so it's just useless because most of the people here, they are tired for schooling. So just stop and just doing the easy way, like cleaning lane. So here I am, so I'm got this my job. So balikan natin. So the time I was working, that was Monday, December 29, 2020. So that was around, I think it's around past 12, I think. And then I was looking quickly. I see that there is something like it's like a green color, a blue, saying that apply now. So in down. So then I did not click it yet because I was doubting what I'm gonna do. Click it or leave it first, because I'm so busy and I'm so nervous. So the feeling that time, I was so excited, happy, excited, nervous, and worries, you know. That is my feeling that time. So I leave it first. I did not click it yet. So I went to my Gmail and I read it there. And then he said that I have to do something for to apply for my monetization. So then I go back. Then I go back and then I could not control myself. Then I click it. And then I see it that there is step 1, step 2 until step 3. I said, oh my gosh, if I will do it now, I wanted to do it already, because you know I don't want it to do it here at home, because you know my husband is not supporting to my YT or something. I was there, so because it's not so far away from my work, the train station. So while I'm waiting there, I'm already starting to apply. So guys, I wanna this is my advice to you. If you apply for monetization, if I was you, it's better you will be relaxed, calm, you are not busy, you are not working, you are not at your work, or otherwise if you will do it, you are in the break time, and then but not break time that is only quickly 15 minutes, because you have to think first. And it's better you are free or not really very busy or tired. Because if you will do it like that and forcing yourself to do it those things, then you will have a mistake. Like what I did with my monetization, I applied. Then for the first step, I did it, and then the second step, I applied for the AdSense. Then I mistake. Instead to put my real name, I put my channel name. So I only remember when I was already I already agreed for everything. So it was already up to YouTube. I clicked on my YouTube channel. Then I look some tutorial, and do you know what is in my mind? I'm gonna look a tutorial now with a channel from India people. Then I'm look for an India people channel because they're very smart in computer, you know, for all those techniques for running. They're very good. So I look there, some of them, but the problem is they are not talking in English. They are talking their own language. I did not care about that. Only thing I did, I'm still keep looking at them, and then I just only follow the details what they are doing because they will put it there what they are doing. So that is the one I like it.
Doing.
Then I see it that one that they see it for if something went wrong for your name or other address or whatever telephone number you forget, then you should go there for the payment and subscription. Click it that, and then you will see it payment method. Then nandoon yun yung address, yung settings doon mo siya i-correct. Doon ako nagkaano. So then after that, for afternoon, congratulations, you are now monetized. Then I have to check for all my videos because yeah, it's not yet done completely. You have to put it on your dollar sign para magkaroon ka ng ads. Ayun. So guys, mahaba na to guys. So I wanna do it again next time. Maybe if I'm not eating. So I wanna say thank you to Marjorie Moldovan, to the groups that they are helping me, to Jida Samson na nag-help siya sa akin.
Jade Samson.
Sila si Psyche's Adventure, si Next Vlog Channel, sino pa ba yun? Marami sila na yung basta marami sila na hindi ko na maano. So sorry guys na hindi ko kayo ma-mention lahat. So I wanna end up now yung pagpapasalamat hindi lang yung sapat. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang maano ko sa inyo. Napakabait nyo talaga. Because of you, I get my monetization. Now I got my ads. Baboom!